Number 11. Nanopadhi Vashadeva Jati Namashrayamaya Daya Atmamanya Ropita Toye Rasvarnadi Bhedavat. Because of its association with different conditionings, upadhis, such ideas as caste, color, and position are superimposed upon the Atma as flavor, color, etc. are superimposed on water. Number 12. Panchikrit Mahabhut Sambhavam Karma Sanchitam Shariram Sukh Dukkhanam Bhogayatan Muchyate. Determined for each individual by his own past actions and made up of the five elements that have gone through the process of fivefold self-division and mutual combination, are born the gross body, the medium through which pleasure and pain are experienced, the tent of experiences. Sloka number 13. Panch Pran Mano Buddhi Dashendriya समन्वितम अपंचीकृत भूतोत्थम सूक्ष्मांगम भोग साधनम. The five pranas, the 10 organs, and the manas and the buddhi formed from the rudimentary elements, tanmantras, before their fivefold division and mutual combination with one another. And this is the subtle body, the instruments of experience of the individual. Number 14. Anadya Vidya Nirvachya Karanopadi Ruchyate Upadhi Tri Taya Danya Matma Nam Avdharyet. Avidya, which is indescribable and beginningless, is the causal body. Know for certain that the Atma is other than these three conditioning bodies, upadhis. Number 15. Panchkoshadi yogena tattanmaya iv sthita shuddhatma nil vastradi yogena sphatiko yatha. In its identification with the five sheaths, the immaculate Atma appears to have borrowed their qualities upon itself, as in the case of a crystal which appears to gather unto itself color of its vicinity. Number 16. Vapu tushadi bhi कौशैर युक्तम युत अवघातता आत्मानं अंतरम शुद्धम विविच्या तुंडलम यथा. Through discriminative self-analysis and logical thinking, one should separate the pure self within from the sheaths as one separates the rice from the husk, bran, etc. that are covering it. Number 17. सदा सर्वगतो प्या आत्मा न सर्वत्र अवभासते बुद्धावेव भासेत स्वच्छेषु प्रतिबिंबवत. The Atma doesn't shine in everything, although he is all pervading. He is manifest only in the inner equipment, the intellect buddhi, just as the reflection in a clean mirror. Number 18. देहेन्द्रियं मनोबुद्धि प्रकृतिभ्यो विलक्षणं तद्वृत्ति साक्षिणं विद्यादात्मानं राजवत्सदा. One should understand that the Atma is always like the king, distinct from the body, senses, mind and intellect, all of which constitute the matter Prakriti and is the witness of their functions. Number 19. व्यापृते इंद्रियेषु अवात्मा व्यापारी वा विवेकिनां दृश्यते भ्रेषु धावत्सु धावनिव यथा शशि. The moon appears to be running when the clouds move in the sky. Likewise, to the non-discriminating person, the Atma appears to be active when it is observed through the functions of the sense organ. Sloka number 20. Atma chaitanya mashritya देहेन्द्रिय मनोधिया स्वकीयार्थेषु वर्तन्ते सूर्यलोकम यथा जना. Depending upon the energy of vitality of consciousness, Atma Chaitanya, the body, senses, mind, and intellect engage themselves in their respective activities, just as man works depending upon the light of the sun.